All right, guys. Hey, it's Mike at Narc Selected Customs. We got Send It Race Media here. We got Kurt and Grease, dude. There we go. All right. So as you will see, we're at Cars and Cops. So we're gonna screw around with some turbo trucks and boosted stuff, and probably make some pulls. So all right, let's get to it. Here we go.
Awesome. All right, guys, here we go. Narc's cart burnout. Send it! Woo!
They're out. We have. How long y'all been here today? 10 hours?
Oh gosh, the whole day.
The whole day.
We could be here the whole night too if we didn't have somewhere to be.
It'd be a ton of fun. We recorded some podcasts, didn't do any of that on the video. He is so happy, he's ready to leave. He was asleep under the workbench over there.
It was
so,
awesome.
All right. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to their channel. If you're not subscribed to ours, definitely do that too. So, all right. See ya.